The conflict between Iran and Israel is entering an even more dangerous phase, with new claims emerging about attacks on key Israeli intelligence and military sites. Welcome to TimesXP's War Update with me, Prithiyatri. And Iran says it launched a drone strike targeting the headquarters of Shin Bet, Israel's most powerful intelligence agency. The agency is responsible for counter-terrorism, internal security operation, and protecting sensitive national infrastructure. Now, because of its role, any strike linked to Shin Bet, it would be considered a highly significant development. In fact, alongside this claim, Iran also says it targeted two important Israeli air bases, Palmachim Air Base and Ovda Air Base. These bases are strategically important for Israel's air force operation and missile defense capability. However, Israeli authorities have not really confirmed that these facilities were directly hit, and many of the claims, it remains unverified as the situation continues to unfold. And at the very same time, the Lebanese armed group Hezbollah, they have announced its own sets of attack. The group says it launched rockets towards Israel's home front command base, basically a facility responsible for coordinating civil defense and emergency response during wartime. Hezbollah also claims that it targeted a satellite communication site located in Ila Valley, basically an area known for housing crucial communication infrastructure. Now, on the ground, the impact of the conflict is already being felt by the civilians. In the city of Ramleh, a missile strike damaged a daycare center and injured 14 people. In fact, another missile reportedly struck communication infrastructure nearby, disrupting services, triggering emergency response. Across Israel, authorities say in total 179 people were injured in the past 24 hours alone, bringing the total of injuries to the country about 2,745 since the war began. In the meantime, Iran has presented a very different picture of the conflict. Officials in Tehran, they accuse the US and Israel of carrying out strikes in civilian areas inside Iran. According to Iranian claim, more than 1,395 people have been killed and several hospitals and medical facilities have been severely damaged during the fighting. Now, these allegations are strongly disputed and independent verification, it remains extremely difficult amid the ongoing war.